If you are watching this video, it means that you are 100% like me, looking for a great source of safe and easy income. Today, I didn't come to read storybooks to you like a mother's and go after my own work, but I came to tell you how you can earn real money at home with the help of your mobile phone or computer. Instead of going to work for 12 hours a day and hearing bad words from your boss and bowing in front of someone, you can make money at home with a much less time and become rich. But, listen to me, but the more effort you make, the more money you make. What if you could make money at any time from anywhere, even while you sleep? Exactly, this is the concept behind affiliate marketing. I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing and tell you what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and what you should do. And finally, I will introduce you to some of the best sites that will make you rich. Let's go! Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. This sentence is the best definition of affiliate marketing, and it means that you act as the intermediary between a large company and the buyer and introduce the company's product to the buyer. Affiliate marketing is a great way to drive sales and generate significant online revenue. If I wanna tell you about the very fast growth of this market, just listen to this sentence. In fact, affiliate marketing spend in the United States increased from $5.4 billion in 2017 to $8.2 billion in 2022, which means there's a plenty of room for those looking to get a piece of the pie. The affiliate marketing strategy is to divide the profit share between three groups. 1. Seller and product creators. 2. The affiliate or the advertiser. 3. The consumer. Okay, what are these three groups? 1. Seller and product creators. The seller could be an MLS merchant that started a drop shipping business and wanna reach a new audience by paying affiliate sites to promote their products. 2. The affiliate or publisher. The affiliate promotes the product to persuade consumers that is valuable or beneficial to them and convince them to purchase the product. 3. The consumer. Of course, for the affiliate system to work, there need to be sales, and a consumer or customer is the one who make them happen. Now you know exactly your position and you know what your role is in this transaction. Keep in mind, the customer must be aware that you, the affiliate, are receiving a commission of the product. How do affiliate marketers get paid? The answer can get complicated. Depending on the program, the affiliate's contribution to the seller's sales will be measured differently. You can get paid in various ways. 1. Pay-per-sale. This is the standard affiliate marketing structure. In this program, the merchant pays the affiliate a percentage of the sale price of the product after the consumer purchases the product as a result of affiliate marketing strategies. That is, if you convince the buyer to buy from the company, he will give you a percentage of the profit of the product. 2. Pay-per-lead. A more complex system, pay-per-lead affiliate marketing programs compensated the affiliate based on the conversion of leads. The meaning of this sentence is that you convince the buyer or anyone to visit the website of the merchant or main company and do a small or big action, which can be just registering on the site or downloading software or buying goods. 3. Pay-per-click or PPC. The affiliate must engage the consumer to the extent that they will move from the affiliate site to the merchant site. This happens when you have a website and connect the buyer to the main company with the help of your website. 4. Pay per install. In this payout system, the affiliate get paid each time they direct a user to the Martian's website and install a product, generally a mobile app or software. Pay attention to this calculation. If a retailer budget for a 0.1 bit dollar for each install generated via an affiliate program and the campaign result in 1000 installs, then the retailer will pay $100. Why? Why be an affiliate marketer? 1. Passive income. While any regular job requires you to be at work to make money, affiliate marketing offers you the ability to make money while you sleep. By investing an initial amount of time into a campaign, you will see continuous returns on that time as the consumers purchase the product over the following days and weeks. You receive money for your work long after you have finished it. Even when you are not in front of your computer, your marketing skills will be earning you a steady flow of income. 2. No customer support. The entire job of the affiliate marketer is to link the seller with the consumer. The seller deals with any consumer complaints after you receive your commission for the sale. 3. Work from home. If you are someone who hates going to the office, affiliate marketing is the perfect solution. You will be able to launch campaign and receive revenue from the product that seller creates while working from the comfort of your own home. Common type of affiliate marketing channel. 1. Influencers. You can create an Instagram or TikTok or Telegram channel and advertise the company's product there. 2. Bloggers. By creating a product introduction website, you can act as an affiliate. The blogger is aware for his or her influencer spreading the word about the value of product, helping to improve the seller's sales. These few things that I said are few examples of the methods of finding a buyer. There are many other methods that if you want to know, write to me in the comments section and I will explain them to you. These 7 sites that I'm mentioning to you now are the largest affiliate sites that people do business with. You can also become a member of these affiliate sites, and an affiliate marketing member introduce the goods of a big campaign to buyers and get rich. 1. Event link. 2. Link connector. 3. CJ affiliate. 4. Affiliate future. 5. ClickBank. 6. Share sale and the flex offers. Biggest affiliate program size. It means Amazon affiliate program. This site is the largest market share of affiliate networks, about 46%. You can easily advertise in a specific field or a specific brand and get the best results. For example, talk to a large lock company and advertise their products and get the best results. Usually there are many lock companies and they have a lot of variety in products, and this will help you a lot. In the end, follow the tips included in this video and you will be able to engage your audience, convert passive readers into active consumers and enhance your paycheck one click at a time. Please don't forget like, comment and subscribe.